Hey friends, welcome. It's Andrew here. Hey, I wanted to do a quick video on turning your passion into a business, or a hobby or an interest into a business or profit. Um, I'm a over-the-road truck driver, and I came to a point where I just wanted to, even though I love what I do, I'm not really. I know, there's one thing about it. I'm probably not going to be able to do it forever. And so I wanted to build a business, and this was something that really inspired me. I don't know what passion I would use yet, except for maybe truck driving. I could use that. Um, and building a business, just to watch somebody take the information in our community and build her business out of baking recipes. She loves baking recipes, and it was amazing. This is her capture page. So, like every first of the month and Monday nights, they have a mastermind where people in the community come up and they can share what they did to build their business and how's it's going. Even the beginners, more experienced. This is Kristen, and she has a sorry, that's Amy there. Just kind of, this is Kristen, and she was explaining and teaching us how she used one of the trainings in our forum that explains how to use Facebook group and Facebook for, capturing leads, building a community and things like that. So she built a community around something that she was doing anyway. She had a passion about baking and created a whole website. And she has a membership site and e-commerce. She sells trainings on baking recipes and things like that. She does a lot with this. So she has like 42,000 members on her Facebook group. It's really, really amazing and inspiring. So I just kind of wanted to share that with you. There are a lot of different ways that, like myself, I figured that, this is something I can do in my spare time where I can build content and create a business. And I myself, I have kind of my own capture page and website and things like that. I will put a link in the description below for the business that I'm working with, where I get all my training and tools and motivation, inspiration, and ideas and content ideas. There's just so much in there that you can use, and it's very affordable. I'll put a link in the description below for the sales page that you could go to and check it out. Nick, who is now becoming a friend, he's a leader in the community and real successful at online business. I think he's been doing it over 17 years. You'll see a video. You can watch that for free. And then I'll put a second link in there to my website. You can sign up and get a free book, PDF. And if it's something you're interested in and you want to learn about how to turn a passion into a business, or do kind of what I'm doing, I'm kind of using the business, and they pay like an 80% commission. So it's really fun. It's interesting. I've been overwhelmed with new ideas and things like that, and especially as I'm getting older, I just really like that stuff. I like to learn. You're always learning. Every day's a lesson, and every day's an education. If you look at it, if you're open-minded and look at it that way. So, hey, I wanted to pop in here real quick and just add that. My site right now, my channel, what I'm focused on is it's an extra income journey that I'm on. I work full time. As I said, I love my job, but I'm building a business on the side, and I'm kind of journaling things as I go. So as kind of like things like this that pop up and inspire me, I'm, kind of throwing it at you there a little bit to give you some information about how I'm going about it and what I'm doing. So one of the interesting things here is if you did go to the link and say you got started on this program today, you could actually go in here and I click that icon.
Yes. Okay.
And you can watch the replay of product or sales. I'm sorry. of all these, you can watch the replays of all these masterminds that they do every Monday night, and they also do them once a month. And there's a lot of different, actually. They do, I think it's 11 masterminds a week or something like that. So there's a lot of different things. They got traffic and conversion ideas, how they, do their get their traffic and conversion, and basically build it to whatever business maybe you want to promote or passion that you have, or you can just promote it as a affiliate and kind of do it along with me if you want to do that too. Because if you sign up on my website there, the second link, I will you'll have my email address, so you'll be able to contact me and ask me any questions if you wanted to do that. All right, so back to the video. I'm almost done with it, and we'll talk to you again soon. Hey, before you go ahead and check out some of my other videos. I have a journal going, and so there are some other things that I'm doing and working on that I'm journaling about. It's a case study on driving traffic through email. So it's pretty good stuff. And also, if you haven't subscribed and you're interested in learning more about the different things that I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate it. So anyway, I will end this video here. I hope you have a great day. Keep going for your dreams, and always keep rocking it.